Hi, I'm Sutherland with your Mesonet Weather Report. We should stop being surprised about Oklahoma weather, but just when we think we have a grasp on our weather, it surprises us again. The latest surprise was the cold weather last weekend. On Saturday, the nighttime lows followed a typical pattern with colder air in the northern part of the state. Below freezing temps were recorded at Mesonet sites north of a line from Elk City to Kingfisher to Pawnee early Sunday morning. There was also an area with freezing temperatures in northeast Oklahoma. The surprise was Sunday night into early Monday morning. Freezing temperatures were recorded at Mesonet sites stretched across Oklahoma. In the southwest, Mangum recorded a low of 26. Bernieville in far south central dropped to 29. Tahlequah in the east had a 29 low. Stillwater hit 29, while nearby Lake Carl Blackwell recorded a low of 26. Camargo, way out west, also had a low of 26 degrees. Boise City, the only site in the Panhandle below freezing, was 29. These freezing temperatures nipped crop tops. Upper leaves of soybeans near Chickasha show frost injury. The lower leaves are still green. We'll have to wait through October to find out if these plants have enough green leaves and get enough warmer weather to mature the seed pods. Gary, what's our drought status?
Good morning, everybody. I hope you've all had a great dose of rain by the time you've watched this to help alleviate some of those drought conditions we still see across the state. Speaking of drought, let's take a look at the latest U.S. Drought Monitor map released on Thursday morning. As you can see, we have had some improvements over the last couple of weeks, especially after that great rainfall of 2 weeks ago. We now have severe drought in parts of central and southern Oklahoma, and improvement over the extreme drought that they had a couple of weeks ago. We still have that exceptional drought covering much of northern Oklahoma. In fact, that exceptional drought expanded a little bit further to the east in those areas that missed that last good rainfall. I'm going to give you an update on some pictures I showed you last year. This is, of course, my favorite place in the universe, the little farm pond just south of Buffalo up in northwest Oklahoma, where I fished at much of my life. This first picture is from May 2009, back when times were good. You can see lots of green grass surrounding the pond and basically full of water. Really good fishing at that time. By August 2010, however, the pond was nearly dry, with water you probably wouldn't want your livestock drinking. And then, of course, the next year, by May 2011, the pond was completely dry. And then each successive period, January 2012 until October 2012, the pond has remained dry. And that's indicative of what the ponds are going through up in northwest Oklahoma as the drought continues. What's happening to my favorite little fishing hole up in northwest Oklahoma is a good example of what we're hearing from across the state. Again, we just need a lot of rainfall, and we need it to keep on coming. That's it for this time. We'll see you next time on the Mesonet Weather Report.